Today I'm going to do a project on canvas. I'm going to be using a swipe method, but I'm going to use smaller swipes and try to create a little bit more detail. So let's get started. So I've taken just a 12 by 12 white canvas and painted it black. I went ahead and painted it earlier so I could let it dry. I used this Craft Essentials black paint. So painted it and let it dry. I'm going to be using white from Apple Barrel. It's just white. I'm going to be using, this is Deco Art in bluegrass green. I'm going to use this really pretty Deco Art Metallics in worn penny. And I'm going to use Apple Barrel Cobalt Blue. Now I have mixed each of these up in a little squeeze bottle here with my pouring medium, my Liquitex. So I've got these already mixed up. I'm going to be using a couple of different tools, perhaps either one of these or both of them, to do this. I am going to just start out by forming little small, let me shake this again, little small lines. And we're going to see how this works. I think I'll start, whoops. This is my metallic paint. I'm going to use just a little bit of white here. And I'm going to put my cobalt blue. Now I'm going to have you start off using this little credit card thing. I'm going to keep a towel here because we're going to wipe off each time we swipe the excess paint. So I'm going to start over here on the edge where I put the worn penny, the metallic paint. I'm just going to take that and I want to swipe it across these colors. Like that. I want to take that off. And I'm going to do the same thing right here. I want to take this and just swipe it. Like so. Then I want to come across here. I'm going to start like right about here, maybe. And make sure I can remember my order here. I'm going to put the copper or the worn penny metallic. Just a little line there. And then I'm going to put my little bit of white on the inside here. Oops, got a little crazy with my line there. And then my blue. I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to be, I'm right-handed, so we're going to bear with me here. We can swipe over this way. I'm going to start swiping. Basically, I'm going to start swiping the copper penny over these other colors. Catch it. I'm going to try to catch it right here in this corner, or where it meets up right there. And let's see. Just going to continue this. We will have negative space as far as the black. But that's pretty much why I went ahead and painted this ahead of time. and let it dry. I want to put them, I want to stay with the same order of putting the colors here. That white wants to run out of there really quickly. Again, I'm going to take my swipe and go this direction from the copper penny over. I think I'm going to have to reverse what I just said because I really want to swipe this one this way. So let's see what happens. Because I don't want that excess paint right there to just be a blob. Now this is definitely a technique to play around with, you know, practice. Just start out just doing it on a white canvas, you know, till you get comfortable with it, because it does take a little trial and error, but I think it can lend some really pretty results. I went backwards with that, didn't I? Let's see. I'm going to put my blue over here. Let me see if this makes a difference. We're going to try it. We're going to see what happens. Because I'm wiping this off as best I can, and just do it and have fun. But that's the whole point of, you know, what I keep trying to talk to you guys about is just try it. Just try it and have fun. You know, just give it a shot. Oops. Now I'm gonna go back up this direction a little. Oh, I may have cut the tip of my little squeeze bottle off a little too much on that one, because it wants to just start running out of there before I am ready. The reason I recommend using these little squeeze bottles, you know, you have a little more control over making your little lines here. I tried it with, you know, just to pour it out of a cup, that it just didn't work out. I just really couldn't control the amount. Not that I'm doing, you know, controlling an awful lot right now, but it's a whole lot better than when I tried to pour it out of just a cup. Anyway, I hope you're kind of getting the idea here of what we're doing with these little sweeping motions. I want that one to go that way, but I want this one to go this way, so we're going to see how that works out. Just want these little sweeping motions, and darn, that white is just really zipping out there on me. Okay, I'm going to start this one here. So folks, don't be afraid to try new things. Sometimes it's going to work out and sometimes it's not, but it still gives you a really good practice session of going towards something that you really want to master. So give it a try and make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Thanks for watching.